Hey everybody, I got a viewer requested video to show the GoPro case and everything that I have on the GoPro case. So stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Alright, so let's try this again since there was no audio in the 12-minute video that I had just done a few hours ago. So let's see if we can do it again. Let's get some light. This is going to be a breakdown of everything that's on the camera. So have this Vivitar Light. Low, medium, and high. Low, medium, high. It's rechargeable through a micro. Okay, I have this HolaFoto mount, which is a 1/4-20 and a 1/4-20 on both sides. We have the mono TRS to TRS cable for the Rode mic. We have the Rode mic and its mount and its dead cat. We have this shoe extension mount that I got from the camera store. It has a 1/4-20 on the bottom, a cold shoe, and a cold shoe. The screw for the cable management and the hook for the cable management. The GoPro adapter, which is AAMIC-001. This will work with the GoPro Hero 5, Hero 6, and Hero 7. Okay, this 1/4-20 screw on the side that was on this side before, but I wanted the light on that side. Take the case apart. And this screw is actually a Smatree, a blue aluminum screw. And I got, I will leave links to the case, the Smatree screws, the Luxebell GoPro mic adapter mount, and the cage. This cage is made by Luxebell, the same as this mic adapter mount. Loosen the screw. And camera, slide the camera out. And then this is a 52mm it is a 52mm UV filter. So put that right there. It sucks there was no audio in the other video. Was no audio whatsoever. So And it's because I had the camera set to powered mic. I forgot to change it back, and I didn't even think about it. The 2 screws, the cold shoe, or not the cold shoe, but the prong mount. Okay, look in here. There's 2 Allen screws that are holding the 3.5 millimeter GoPro mic adapter to the actual cage. Look right there, you can see it. These 2 little screws right here. I'm not going to take it completely off. And all this comes in pieces. You have to put it together. Like, the cold shoe doesn't come mounted on it. It's got 2 different spots that you can mount the cold shoe with this screw. So that's what it looks like. I bought this blue screw from Smatree separate, and it technically, I got like 3 of these in long, and then the other pack I bought was 3 in short. And I also have matching. I have these in red as well for my red cases. So we're going to put this back together. Start with the shoe and the feet. It's going to be one of those days. Alright. Really? I did not have this much issue in the first video, I swear. Figured I'd just do a breakdown since one of my viewers wanted to see the case that I use on a daily basis. I will leave links to each one of these items. So I'll leave a link to the mic. I'll leave a link to the case, the mic adapter, cage, and something comparable to this because I actually got this at the camera store. Clean the lens. So I probably put a bunch of smudges on it again. Okay. Drop the camera in. And this cage will fit a GoPro Hero 5, Hero 6, and a Hero 7. Just so you know. This screw was actually on this side to hold the camera in, but I actually put it on the opposite side. So this actually tightens up against the lens side of the camera. And then I'll leave a link to this in the description. This is $14. I could try to leave the link to this. I got it on eBay. This is $79 for the mic, the Rode Videomicro mic. This is $49.99 for the mic adapter. The cage is $29. The blue cage is $29. The Luxebell mic adapter cage itself, that was $19.99. And then these blue screws for like a 3-pack is like $13 or $12 or I think it's $12 or $14, somewhere in there. Screw this back on. The cage also comes with this cover. Keep the dust out. It's got 2 squeeze points. Slide this back on. Okay. Put the feet and the screw back on, and it does say Smatree. It's upside down, but it says Smatree. Just a little, yeah, this one you can actually read it. It says Smatree. Use the tool to tighten it back up. I like mine kind of tight because I don't want it moving. I like it kind of stiff where it's hard to bend, which is not hard when it's on a camera. It's on an actual tripod, which I'm using a little Target small, like 6-inch tripod to do this video right now. Okay. Drop the screw back on. I like mine set to the outside. There. Slide this mount back on. Okay. Slide the adapter back in. And does have a USB-C charging port on the other end, as well as a 3.5mm jack. Just keep in mind that this only works with mono 3.5mm cords. So you cannot use a stereo cord, or a stereo cord which would be a TRRS, which would have 3 rings on the 3.5mm male. Mono would be 2 rings. Plug it back into the camera. Put the little cable tightener down on the cable, and then you just thread this into the base, and what it does is it keeps this cable from bouncing around and getting a loose connection. Like that. I'm assuming this video is probably going to be a little bit longer than the original video since I kind of took the entire thing apart. Slide the the Rode Videomicro mic back on. Spin this back on. Like that. This is a mono. Let me see if I could show you. See, it's got 2 rings. That would be a mono. A stereo would have 3 rings. This would be is known as a TRS cable. And a TRRS would be 3 rings. Just give you an idea. So I will leave a link to the description for everything that you see here down below. Most of them will be Amazon affiliate links. And then what I did not buy on Amazon, I will try to leave links to the eBay store I bought them from. And please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates, and check the all button now because that exists. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Doesn't cost you anything to buy from one of my links. You don't even have to purchase from one of my links. Just use my link to get to Amazon and then shop like normal. I appreciate it. Amazon will give me a cut of, you know, what you purchased. It doesn't cost you anything. It's kind of like a bonus from Amazon that they give me, you know, a little bit here and there. If you use one of my links to go to Amazon, I get a little cut from it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.